Hello, car enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the exhilarating world of the 2025 Pontiac GTO, a modern muscle car that masterfully blends classic heritage with cutting-edge innovation. Buckle up as we explore its standout features, from the striking exterior to the powerhouse under the hood. Exterior features. Body panels. The 2025 GTO's design pays homage to its iconic predecessors while embracing modern aesthetics. Its sleek lines and aggressive stance are complemented by aerodynamic enhancements, ensuring both style and performance. The re-engineered hood scoops aren't just for show, they improve airflow to the engine, blending form with function. Headlights. Slim LED headlights wrap around the fenders, giving the GTO a predatory look. These lights not only enhance visibility but also add to the car's aggressive stance, making it unmistakable on the road. Taillights. At the rear, a striking LED light bar stretches across the width of the car, providing a bold nighttime signature. This design element ensures the GTO stands out, whether it's day or night. Grille. The front end features an iconic split grille, a clear homage to classic Pontiacs. Enhanced with active aero elements, the grille adjusts based on speed and cooling needs, ensuring optimal performance and a nod to its storied past. Interior comfort and convenience. Seats. Inside, the GTO offers a driver-focused cockpit adorned with premium materials like leather and carbon fiber accents. The seats are designed for both comfort and support, ensuring a pleasant experience whether you're on a long drive or a quick sprint. Dashboard. The dashboard is dominated by a 12.3-inch touchscreen infotainment system, providing easy access to navigation, media, and vehicle settings. Its user-friendly interface ensures drivers can focus on the road while staying connected. Infotainment system. For audiophiles, the GTO offers an optional premium sound system with 16 speakers and 1000 watts of power. This setup ensures that every drive is accompanied by crystal-clear audio, turning your car into a concert hall on wheels. Steering wheel. The steering wheel is ergonomically designed, featuring integrated controls for various functions, allowing drivers to keep their hands on the wheel and eyes on the road. Its design ensures a comfortable grip, enhancing the driving experience. Powertrain components. Engine. Under the hood, the base model boasts a 6.2 liters V8 engine delivering 455 horsepower and 455 pounds-feet of torque. This powertrain ensures exhilarating acceleration and a top speed that satisfies any speed enthusiast. Hybrid option. For those seeking even more power, an optional 6.2 liters supercharged V8 engine is available, pushing out an impressive 650 horsepower and 600 pounds-feet of torque. This engine propels the GTO from 0 to 60 miles per hour in approximately 3.5 seconds, offering supercar-level performance. Safety and driver assistance. Airbags. Safety is paramount in the GTO, which comes equipped with advanced driver assistance systems. These features include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking, ensuring peace of mind on every journey. Parking assist. Parking is made effortless with the GTO's parking assist system. Sensors and cameras provide real-time feedback, guiding drivers into tight spots with ease and precision. Pricing. The 2025 Pontiac GTO offers exceptional value, with the base model starting at an estimated $45,000. This pricing positions it competitively within the muscle car segment, offering a blend of performance, style, and modern amenities. In conclusion, The 2025 Pontiac GTO is a testament to the brand's commitment to blending classic muscle car appeal with modern performance and technology. Whether you're a longtime fan or new to the GTO legacy, this model promises an exhilarating driving experience. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the features of the 2025 Pontiac GTO. Stay tuned for more in-depth reviews and test drives.